getting ready to go to Coachella tonight, and I was on ASOS website last week looking for outfits, and I seen one of the models. She had really cute, like really long jumbo twists. I think she had 6. I only seen the front of her head. They didn't show the back, but she had 6 long twists, and I don't know if it was her real hair or not, but it's not about to be my real hair. So I got 4 packs of this braiding hair. It's pre-stretched. It's 26 inches. Whoa, my RevAir. And I'm gonna put this Olaplex in, this heat protectant, and my edge control. Where is it?
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, my dirt, 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 dirt. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a rock, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and
This took forever. I really hate parting, but it didn't come out too bad. I got it pretty even, I'd say. I think so. So now that my hair is sectioned, I just go in with my Lovely Bees edge control a little bit on all the sides of the ponytail, brush it in, and get the ponytail like nice and smooth. And then I go in with a little black rubber band. You don't want to put it too tight. I put mine kind of tight because I totally forgot that I was going in with like a regular hair tie on top of this. So again, you want to make sure that this is not too tight, just enough to have the ponytail slick.
just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work.
I am fucking my elbow up. God damn, that's not straight.
When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never know, never know.
It's close enough, y'all.
I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out,
Yeah. Okay.
So this is what my hair looks like with all the ponytails in place, y'all. And then I literally had all of the hair on there, and I did all of the twists. I recorded it, and they all kept unraveling and swelling back up. Like I just did regular 2-strand twists. So I had to figure out how to keep the twist from unraveling, and it was to do rope twists. So this is how I'm just showing you guys a quick little thing of how I do the rope twist, and then I'll show you guys how I put the actual ponytail on. But yeah, I did regular twists at first, and they just completely unraveled. So to attach the braiding hair to your hair, all you need is a hair tie and the hair. You want to put your hair in the middle and make sure it's even on both sides, like the bottom of the hair is even. And then you just take one side and you connect it to your ponytail, and you just move the other piece of the hair out of the way. You can clamp it down to keep it from like falling in place. I just kind of tossed it to the back, and then you take your hair tie and just do a regular ponytail, keeping your hand in place because you don't want to move the hair that's not in the way yet, if that makes sense. You want to just keep that out of the way and put the hair tie on.
No need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin,
Once you have the hair tie on, you should have something like this, where one side of the hair is with your hair and one side isn't. And then you just move the fake hair out the way and take your real hair, split it in two. And I like to just pull it just to make the ponytail a little more flat and a little more tight. And then I put half of my hair with one side of the twist and then the other half of my hair with the other side, of the fake hair. And then I just start to twist one side. So I'm using my thumb to kind of hold it in place. And I'm twisting about 3 to 4 times. And then I cross it over, and then I twist the other side 3 to 4 times and then cross it over, and I just keep doing this all the way down. So the first few, I was like, oh my gosh, my finger feels like it's about to break, but you kind of get used to it. And you'll get a better view once I do the ponytail on the other side. Like, my hands are kind of in the way right now, but when I do the other side, you'll get a close-up.
I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done.
But once I got to the bottom of the rope twist, I did do a braid at the bottom just because I was scared it was going to completely unravel. So I did a braid like maybe 3 or 4 times down, and then I took just another black rubber band and secured the end with that just to be safe. Okay, so last one, and this is the better view. So right now I'm just making sure the hair is even with my hand in the middle at the top, so that when I grab it on my ponytail, it's not one side longer than the other, if that makes sense. So I put the side with my ponytail, and then again move the other fake hair out of the way and add the hair tie. And then once I do that, I split my real hair into 2, kind of pull it a little bit just to make the ponytail a little more snug. And then I add half of my hair with the half of the fake hair, and then the other half of my hair with the other half of the fake hair. And then I take one side, and I start to twist inward. Like, so I twist 3 to 4 times inward, and then I cross that on top. And then I take the bottom half, again, twist 3 to 4 times inward, and then I cross it over. And I literally just do this the whole way down, and this kept the twist from unraveling.
Come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place.
So once I did the rope twist all the way down and secured the end by doing the braid and adding the black rubber band, I just went ahead with a little bit more edge control just to do the baby hairs to get them nice and slick so I could tie my hair down tonight. But this is the final look. I got so many compliments at the festival and even outside of the festival, but I freaking loved it. And I really like doing these rope twists now. So I'll have everything that I use down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you, and I will see you in my next one.
Now you need to forward. Give me all the work, work,